back to Kids Cookie Adventure, and today we're going to be making these delicious Snowman Cupcakes. Let's get started. For the cupcakes you will need 125 grams of soft butter, 125 grams of caster sugar and 125 grams of self-raising flour. 2 eggs, 12 cupcake cases, paper or rubber, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let's get started. Before we start, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So now you have to mix all the ingredients together. First, start by cracking the eggs into the bowl. And then mixing the flour and the eggs together. Then add the sugar and keep mixing. Then the butter. There we go. Oh, it's not coming out. There we go. Next, the vanilla essence. Hold on. So to make sure we haven't got any lumps and bumps in the mixture, we've changed to a whisk instead of a spoon, and that will break up all the lumps and bumps. So while Matthew's mixing the mixture, I'm going to put the cupcake cases, on the tray. And there we go. Matt, you finished? Yes, there's no more lumps and bumps left in it. That's nice mixture. Yes, so it's got 2 spoons. Then you want to lay them into the cupcake cases full of. Now you want to lay them in. Put them in. Go round once with 1 tablespoon. Then if you have any left over, and then go again with another tablespoon in each one. Oh, that's quite a lot. So you want to fill them all. Then turn it round when you've done half of them. Then fill the other half. So now they're all ready, put them in the oven for 18 to 20 minutes. Now that they're out of the oven, leave them to cool for 5 minutes. For the decorating, you will need 250 grams of icing sugar, 12 white marshmallows for the heads of the snowman, some chocolate sticks for the arms of the snowman, some Skittles for the buttons of the snowman, black and orange writing icing for the nose and the smile on the face and the eyes, and a tablespoon of water. Let's get started. So first we need to mix the icing sugar and the tablespoon of water. So it turns out that you need more than a tablespoon of water, so just add a little bit at a time and just keep mixing. So it's important that you add a little bit at a time, otherwise it will be way too thin and we want really thick icing. The reason we can't do butter icing is because otherwise it will turn yellow, so we need to be really careful with the amount of water that we add so it can become like nice and thick like snow. As you can see here, it looks a lot like snow, don't you think, Dan? Yeah. First, we need to put icing on the cupcakes. So I'll do mine first. Then Dan, you can do. You need 2 spoons for this. And so just put it on top and it will spread down by itself. Put it down, time for your one. So if it's not spreading down yet, so just gently smooth. So now we put a marshmallow for the head. Down you do the same, like tilted at an angle while it's still soft, like that. Two Smarties, Skittles or M&Ms or whatever you have. And then get an arm, get one of the chocolate sticks and poke them into the cake for arms. Then get your writing icing. Carefully with the orange one, draw on a nose like a carrot. And with the black one, a smile and eyes. And then we can swap. So I'll draw on the eyes. And here we go. That's your snowman. Yeah. Marshmallow cupcake snowman. That looks so cute. Yeah, look at this. So now what you want to do, we're going to copy that on the rest of the cupcakes. Yay! So here you have your very own snowman cupcakes. Very nice and very tasty. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click the button down below. See you next time. Bye!